Is it possible to build a drone that will reach 155 miles per hour on your own? YouTube user QuadMover believes it is. The blogger is known as an expert in custom drones, and he not only builds them, but also pilots them. One of his drones can reach up to 136 miles per hour while weighing about half a pound. One of the secrets of its speed are its 5-bladed propellers and lightweight 3D printed components. Despite their slightly strange shape, the model remains maneuverable even at low speeds. Drawings of the drone are available to the blogger's subscribers on Patreon. We wish him luck in reaching his goal. "3D printing technology is advancing in leaps and bounds. Although it's not yet possible to print tasty food, comfy 3D printed shoes are already a reality. The latest project of German designer and architect Stefan Henrich is a pair of sneakers that strikes us with their unusual shape and design. The shoes are made of a material known as Sintratec TPE. This rubber-like elastomer combines lightness and durability, while being pleasant to the touch. By varying its thickness, the designer can adjust the stiffness of the details, which makes the shoes even more comfortable to wear. The word cryptide in the name of the sneakers refers to extinct or non-existent animals. According to Henrich, the shape of the sole of the sneaker is an homage to the footprint of Bigfoot and other similar creatures. This South Korean robotic crab will definitely appeal to all fans of the Cousteau Odyssey and the Lara Croft movies. It can be used not only for research and commercial work, but also for treasure hunting. The model really resembles a crab, and there is a good reason for that. This shape provides stability and maneuverability. The robot weighs about 1,300 pounds and is about 8 feet long. The walking speed of the Crabster CR200 is about 1 mile per hour. Moreover, it can operate in 2 modes. By putting its legs up, the robot becomes a fast mini submarine. And by extending its legs, the robot gains stability, which is important when working on the seabed. This drone made in Poland might have a simple design, but it is very practical. It's able to move not only on the ground, but also through the air, which can be useful in rescue operations, search operations, and for parcel delivery in inaccessible areas. The model weighs 50 pounds and can drive for 10 hours and fly for 20 minutes on a single battery charge. A mobile 4K camera assists the operator, plus the operator can set a route for autonomous flight. The built-in NVIDIA Jetson AGX Xavier microprocessor allows the drone to detect and avoid obstacles as well. This is the world's smallest life-saving device. It was made by an Italian manufacturer. This bracelet weighs only 0.37 pounds, but can hold a person weighing up to 300 pounds on the water. The device is easy to take with you and fits even in a small purse. The casing is designed so as to not interfere with your activities. The absence of electronic components guarantees increased reliability. To activate it, simply pull the lever and within 2 seconds, the inflatable balloon will fill with carbon dioxide. You can replace the used cylinder yourself. One bracelet can be used more than 50 times. The built-in whistle as well allows you to send a distress signal. A feast for laser engraving enthusiasts. This compact device allows you to draw almost any pattern on paper, cardboard, wood, leather, and other materials. The device has a lifespan of about 10,000 hours and fits easily on a desk. There are several safety systems. For example, the laser is deactivated if the built-in accelerometer detects an accidental movement. Images can be downloaded using the iOS and Android apps. The device supports micro SD cards, and it charges via micro USB. Perhaps the only disadvantage is that the device doesn't work with metal. NFC technology allows you not only to pay for purchases, but also to quickly share your contact data. This touchless business card is especially useful in today's challenging times. Using the BitSignal touchless business card is easy. Just hold it up to your phone and your contact information will appear on the screen. The link and information on it can be promptly updated either independently or through the business card manufacturer's tools. QR codes are provided for phones without NFC support. According to the manufacturer, in the future, advanced contactless communication will be built into every card. Do you think that this invention will be popular? Why run garbage trucks through the streets and bother street cleaners when you can use this system to arrange garbage collection? It saves energy and money by ensuring that waste is collected separately and taken to a centralized waste terminal. The system is really simple. The person who wants to throw garbage away puts it into the corresponding garbage can. When the cans are full, they are emptied, and the waste is sorted into separate containers. The system has a range of up to 2.5 miles and is more than 3 times as energy efficient as similar systems. It has been so successful that it's already in operation all over the world, in places like China, Russia, and Saudi Arabia. The next system, on the other hand, is designed to simplify the sorting of various loads. This conveyor belt is assembled from individual modules, enabling boxes to be moved at speeds of up to 4 feet per second. Flexible customization is achieved thanks to the honeycomb modules, which are equipped with 3 rollers. The software allows the system to be optimized for specific loads so that line capacity is not compromised. If one of the modules breaks down, its work is temporarily done by other modules. This is possible thanks to the swarm intelligence system, which ensures the formation of an intelligent surface, and the module can be removed for replacement or maintenance in 5 minutes. Good news for owners of large wardrobes. This smart piece of furniture will make steaming, storing, and sorting your garments simpler. Thanks to the special app, you can select the clothes you want, and the wardrobe will find them and give them to you. The steaming system is so powerful that the creators of the project promise crease-free clothing. In addition, the wardrobe is able to regularly clean clothes that you rarely wear and even give you shopping tips. By analyzing the clothes you have, it will make recommendations on how to update your closet and help you decide what to wear. Imagine you never had to fold, hang, or put away your laundry ever again, entices the project's website. However, the system is pretty expensive. Even with a discount, the wardrobe will cost you about $800. This smart home control panel makes life more comfortable. It allows you to spend less time looking at your phone and more time with your family. The panel is made of natural wood, supports touch control, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. It weighs 1.2 pounds and is about 2 feet wide. Quality sound is provided by 2 speakers. It offers all the classic features of modern smart houses, from adjusting the lighting to giving you the weather forecast. The creators claim that they were inspired by Mui Shizen philosophy of being in a natural state. Thanks to this approach, the panel takes minimal time and is very easy to use. If you're tired of classic power strips that never fit all the plugs you need, check out this device. It is so flexible that it can be wrapped around furniture legs or placed in tight spaces. It features a 6-foot cord and overload protection. The product is certified, recommended for use in the US and Canada, and so successful that the inventor, Jake Zien, decided to patent it. In addition, the device is available in bright colors and can add a splash of color to your home.